Fridge. Power button. Temperature control buttons. Heater control panel. Power button. Heat control knob. Warm air outlet. Push to open. Table leaf. Gas cylinder valve. Sink and gas hob. Spark ignition button. Water tap. Fresh water tank. Garden hose connector. Simply lift the orange collar to disconnect. Light switch. USB phone charger. Night light switch. To fold out the bed, lift and pull towards you. Loosen the seat belts. To fold the bed away, pull the seat belt quickly so it locks. Then pull firmly and push the bed back. Tabletop. Table leg slot. Camping chairs. Table leg. Portable toilet. To empty the toilet, separate the cassette from the toilet using this lock. The cassette can be emptied at designated disposal points. Flush pump. Cassette opening handle. Waste water tank for sink water for campsite use. Place it right here under the van. Smart TV. Easily connect your phone to play music or watch films from your phone. This socket only works when external power is connected. Electric hookup socket. The electric hookup cable is located behind the driver's seat. Thanks for watching. Your adventure awaits.